All right, guys, this is the DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless 18 gauge brad nailer. Now, this is a awesome tool if you do finish work, if you're doing a lot of trim. This is really nice versus carrying around an air compressor and hose. For this, you just need a battery. Put your nails in like that. Lock it down. Using this is super easy. Just push it down. It does lock here, so make sure it's not locked. Push down, and then you'll hear it pop, you'll hear it run, and then again it shoots your nails. Very easy to use. You have single nail, or you have multi-nail, and the thing I like about multi-nail is if I hold the trigger down, I just hit it down like that, and I can go like that, and I can use it like that. Now if I go to single nail, again, I have to pull the trigger for each time. So if I push it down, it doesn't shoot here. Now, the other thing I do like about this, again, you got two lights here on the side. So as soon as you push that trigger, the lights will come on like that. You do have a locking mechanism right there. It will hold 110 nails. Again, so it does hold quite a bit. Very easy to close. Now, if you have a jam on this, again, all you can do is pop this up like that and push that forward, and it'll open this up, and you can remove any jam you got in there. Super easy to use there. It's not going to accidentally come loose. Now on here, you also have your depth wheel here, so you can adjust the depth here as well. And then up here, you'll see your indicator as well to see what depth you're at. Now then on the other side of this, you also have your stall release lever. So if you do get a jam, again, pop this open, pull out your jam, push that back down. And then we're going to pull this back, and that's going to release the mechanism back here so that you can fire another gun, just on the off chance you have a stall or something jammed. And then down here, you also have the belt hook as well. Again, awesome tool, weighs about 5.5 pounds. A lot of options here, whether it's shooting one nail at a time or you're just moving along quickly. Again, very powerful tool. Nice to have, beats carrying around a compressor and hose all the time.